Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and can I get a what for all you Stitch lovers out there? My chin dropped to the floor with this. This is absolutely adorable. Yes, I know it's a holiday kit. I know it's springtime, but you can't go wrong with Stitch. OMG. This is called Happy Holidays Stitch. It is a 17-inch by 22-inch, very reasonably sized, which translates into 42.8 centimeters by 55. And it is a square for all you square lovers. As I was opening this, I put my hand here. I cannot believe it. Unleash Your Inner Artist is actually raised. I'm like, oh, pet your canvas. Now you can pet your box too. On the side of your box, it's going to show there's 15 colors, including four fairy dust. I can't believe it. Let's open this up and see what is in store inside this beautiful, oh, this is a different type of box opening. I don't want to rip it. We undo here. Oh, this is interesting. Have you seen a box that opens like this? What? How fun is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay. I like this because I don't have to pull anything out. The box is super thick, so it's going to protect your canvas. Absolutely love it. Okay, so here's the toolkit. The toolkit's going to come with twist putty, single placer, heart-shaped wax, all the goodies that you would want. It is the smaller tray, comes with this. Inside the tray is your 7-placer and your wax and your stopper. You're also going to get the clear putty, which is coming out in the new kits, your 15 baggies, and then your wonderful Diamond Art Club pen with the clear putty on one side and your 3-placer on the other. So that is your toolkit. Here's the thank you for your purchase. I didn't know if for Disney we'd get these. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is worth just buying the kit for the collectors. Absolutely love it. This is a bronze, but collect these cards. You can go online, see what happens. You get some goodies. Here's how to join the Facebook group, and then you've got your stickers. You can put this in your logbook or on your kit up, however you want. It shows that it's square, all the goodness in it, and then when you open it, it shows that it has your 15 colors, including 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust. Yes. So we're gonna put this back together so I don't lose it. Oops, I don't want to forget the card. I always keep my cards with my kits, and then as I open the kits, I then keep the cards. It helps me make sure that I don't lose the card or forget the card inside, all the fun things. All right, so we're gonna open this baby up and see what's inside. It has the velvet pattern. I still remember when I first got my first kit. Here is your drills, the Happy Holiday Stitch. It is a square. I like that they label it with the SKU number and the name. So if you do, oh, come on camera, there you go. If you do separate the two, you can reunite them. Okay, so Stitch does have still the pink. I know they went away with that with gray, but it has the pink, not to worry, but it shows you where the perforations are. I'm currently doing a kit where there's not any, and I really like that the perforations are there so I don't accidentally rip in the wrong spot. Has all your social media at the bottom and your pasting area with the name of the kit, the SKU number, and the size. And this is Disney, people. Disney! It also is the poured glue. And if you want, you can rip on the perforated, and it's a 4x4 square that you can take off so that you're not doing the full Monty and making the whole canvas naked. Look at him. He is adorable. All right. With these poured glue, you can roll it backwards and it's not going to affect the glue, and then that helps it lay flat for all of us. He's so cute. He's got his little mittens on and everything. Look at that. He's adorable. All right, so let's look at the drill field and see how clear that drill field is. Don't worry about that. That's just because I haven't flattened it out. If you take this off, and you can lay it back down. There we go. See? Okay. So the drill field, extra clear. Love their print job. They keep their print colors vibrant and sharp. They do the black, the white over the black. Even that black on red, you can tell what symbol it is. Absolutely adorable. There we go. Okay, so let's see where these specials are. That is always the trick, right? How did the charters help elevate this painting? All right, so it looks like there might be some drills in here, so I'm going to be careful until I find out. Sometimes it's just left over from the factory, sometimes it's because the seal didn't get right. So I'm going to be careful because there's a couple extra blues, but that's all right. We'll figure this out together. Just make sure. All right, I think it's just extras that tagged along when the machine did it. So here, look at the amount of pink. Whee, come on, camera. Come on, camera. You know you're a YouTuber when your camera doesn't focus. All right, so here we go. Here are the fairy dust. Look at the amount of that pink. The fairy dust are a mica powder that is in the actual drill. I think of it kind of as like when you put eyeshadow on and stuff. Here's 910, 910, 910. Bear with me on the blurry because I'm coming back in strong. Got your 3770, your 310. Okay, so here, 2 bags of the red. 2 bags of the red fairy dust, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags of Stitches background. 614, 517. Here's another really big bag of yellow fairy dust. Some beautiful blues. Ooh, I like that green. 564. I got 2 of those. Oh, and this dark 797 fairy dust. Absolutely gorgeous. 912. We got our 311 and 775. So let's refocus the camera and see where these fun colors go. All right, so 604, that is a C. That is all of this bow right here. That is outlining this flower, and that is also this flower up here and the top of the bulb here. All right, then we're gonna go to the red. Remember, we had 2 bags of red, and that is all the red you see, right? There's no other red. So in the package, his beautiful antlers, his amazing mittens, the bulb up here, and then down here, this flower is going to be beautiful because you're going to have all fairy dust for this Hawaiian flower. And then we have the Z728. That is going to be E, so that is all of the yellow you see. So the package again, up here with this bulb, and then the star way up in the air like you really don't care. And then we have the deep blue 797. That is going to be down here, this beautiful star. And then that's going to be up here, the bulb and the fixture that the bulbs are on. And then Stitch himself is going to be just normal. which is great. Stitch doesn't need to have lots of bling because his personality is the bling. I love this. I love this so, so much. So let me know if you're a Stitch fan down below. Raise your hand if you're going to run out and grab this because this is absolutely adorable. This Stitch I would do. I love the color palette. I love that it's got all this variety. And look at his fun polka dot shirt. Happy holidays. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing this with us, Diamond Art Club, and the amazing charters of this design. So until next time, be blessed, take care, bye-bye.